So, a couple things we set out to do with Ricky, myself, was we wanted to come up with kind of a collection, if you will, that was really around a money piece. And so what we wanted to do was focus on specific areas in the head shapes, and we started to work a lot with triangles. So this is, as you see, it's a triangle across the top, and it's a crescent shape around the back. The first thing for us was really about making sure that what we were going to cut. So I wanted to create a strong line, so it had a very, very bold movement here, and then it had freedom with where we were going to put the accent pieces. So this is how I would start to change a guest, is I would add a little bit, right? I built my business on blondes, I built my business on color correction. I also grew up in Salt Lake City, Utah, which is crazy, crazy conservative. Anybody here from Utah? All right, we can tell lots of jokes about that. I'm kidding, you guys. And no, I don't have 13 wives, because I know that's what you just thought of. So the idea here is that it's a signature piece, it's a melt, and it's a little bit longer. It's something different. It's a point of difference. Can we cut that off? Absolutely. But if we don't show our guests something different and empower them with knowledge of what we can do, we will repeat the same thing over and over. I think she looks pretty smashing. If you look at their eye color next to that beautiful color, I think this went absolutely beautiful on you. Give her lots of love. This is Chelsea.